Well, the farmer's daughter is quite happy today. She has ordered, what the heck? Looks like we got a mechanic shop in the parking lot of the hardware store. Somebody was pulling a motorcycle apart. Looks like they were pulling the engine out or something. I don't know. But anyhow, back to the farmer's daughter. She ordered rims and tires for her truck. She's been saving up for these for the last couple of months. So they are finally in. They have been, tires have been mounted on the rims and balanced. I have not seen them yet, but I am headed to the shop now to help her put them on the truck. So she is apparently on her way down the road from picking up these tires and rims. So I am headed to the shop. Wow, that sun is bright. To help her get them on the truck. She's quite happy. So hopefully they look good and they're what she wants. So as I said, I haven't seen them yet. I'm anxious to see these and what it's all about. So stay tuned. We'll see if we can get this on video. Okay, I can hear her coming in the road. You can't see it because of the glare on the window, but I heard her a mile away because of that exhaust system. So she's rolling in here, ready to roll here. Come back some more. Okay. Well, there they are. So did you get lugs for them?
Yes, which that was almost a problem because apparently the guy that dropped the truck driver never gave them to him, so he went and took them from somebody else's wheels that had been ordered. And they're heavy, by the way.
Oh, well, of course they are.
They're about 55 pounds each.
And they're guaranteed to fit.
They are guaranteed to fit.
Okay.
The guy and Danny was like, hey, cause I was like, oh, hey. He like, looked up at me and he was like, oh, hey. And I was like, trying to figure that out. And he was like, hey, I owe your dad money. He was like, I think it's about $2,500. I'm like, okay. He was like, I stopped in the other day and you weren't there and I'm not giving it to someone I don't know that works there. Donnie can get his money because he was good to me or something like that. So he's apparently gonna come and see me this coming week or next week.
Oh man.
Pick it up at?
No, I don't. This wishbone suspension. Idea, I think.
Let's put this in here.
All right, so you see what you need to put in the toolbox in order to change these tires when you're on the side of the road.
Yeah, the AAA card. Because I don't have a spare. My spare won't go on here anymore.
Well, to get you, the spare that you have will still work to get you off the road. I don't think they're gonna work.
Don't tell me that.
Okay, but I don't like them in that hole.
Do you want the other one?
Yes, I do. There's gotta be some better.
Maybe not. Some things are dual drilled.
You're right, it's not.
That's because then they are somewhat universal. Probably fits a Chevy, 6-lobe Chevy, and a 6-lobe Ram.
So I was thinking she had the wrong rims and they weren't fitting, but apparently one size rim fits many different makes of vehicles. So we finally got it on there and figured it out. Which one I was going in now?
I think this is the and here are your new logos. He said that technically they should have been shorts, but the longs will still work with the cap. Because that's the one that he has stealing from somewhere else. And yes, I already have a thing that fits this.
All right, are there locks?
No,
They're all the same?
they should be this. And it came to 29 pretty much even without tax. So yeah, something like that.
All right, there they are. Make comments if you want. And that's how you put on new tires on a Ram, 5th generation, right? It's the the newest generation truck, 2019. All right, until next time, see you. Okay, just a warning when you're putting aftermarket rims on a 2019 Ram 1500. I suggest that you get the OEM TPMS sensors, the tire pressure monitoring system sensors. Go directly to your Ram dealer and get those sensors. My daughter had some issues with these sensors. She ordered the rims, put in the specs for her truck, so they included the sensors with these rims, got the rims mounted. Nope, her truck would not pick those sensors up and give her the tire pressure reading. So she took them back to the guy she got the rims from. They ordered a different set of sensors, installed those. Nope, they did not work either. So they ended up going directly to Ram and getting sensors directly from Ram, the OEM sensor. So that's what we learned in this whole process. Otherwise, it was quick and easy, but no, it took about 2 days to figure out. No, actually, she spent 3 days jumping back and forth to mechanics, to the Ram dealer, trying to figure out these sensors and program them and blah, blah, blah. So that's the piece of advice we'll give you for this. But otherwise, she's very pleased with the rims and the tires so far on this truck. All right, thanks for watching. See ya! See ya!